Hi, I'm Benjamin Grégoire. I'm the CEO of INO VR company. INO VR is specialized in the XR hardware. We distribute ready-to-go solution or just a headset to a business company to deploy VR quickly. So today we are showcasing plug-and-play solutions, which is a case with 6 VIVE XR headsets powered by the VIVE Host solution. In a short term, it's a solution who can manage several headsets on a field directly by only one tablet. These solutions answer to several use cases. In education, it's perfect. Industrial could be also really interesting. Today, we need to deploy and we need to offer tools which are ready on the field and will be a great help to deploy more and more XR VIVE hardware.